Imagine if you could finally understand money. Really understand it, not just earn it, but make it work for you. What if I told you that there's a secret AI tool right now creating viral videos, generating income, and that this same knowledge could completely change your life? Stick with me and I'll show you not just how to use this tool, but how mastering financial literacy can give you real freedom, control, and results that actually matter in your life. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Every video here is designed to solve the problems most people face with money and guide you toward real-life financial wins. If you've ever felt stuck or unsure about your finances, this channel is your shortcut to real results. Now let's get real. Think about the videos you scroll through daily, those viral clips that make everyone stop and watch. Did you know that behind some of these videos is a tool that almost no one talks about? It's called Runway ML, an AI tool that doesn't just make videos look professional, it can create content that grabs attention, goes viral, and yes, can even generate revenue. But here is the twist. Most people are ignoring this tool because they think AI is complicated or just for tech geniuses. The truth, anyone can use it. And that's exactly why understanding financial literacy is key. Because using tools like this without knowing the basics of money is like having a golden key but no door to open. It won't unlock your real potential. How many times have you watched someone else succeed online and wondered, why not me? The answer isn't luck, it's knowledge. Knowing how to leverage the right tools at the right time can turn ordinary people into income-generating machines. So what is Runway ML exactly? Imagine having a professional video editor and a creative genius rolled into one AI tool that works for you. It can take simple ideas and turn them into content that people can't stop sharing. But here's where it gets really interesting. Not only can Runway ML help create content that goes viral, but it can also help you monetize your creativity. Think about it. Viral content attracts attention. Attention attracts opportunity, and opportunity creates income. But most people skip this. They think making viral videos is only for influencers or tech experts. That's a myth. And that myth is costing people thousands of dollars they could earn if they simply understood how to leverage AI and the right money strategies. Picture yourself 6 months from now, having learned how to use this tool, creating videos that actually make money, while also gaining financial literacy that teaches you to save, invest, and grow your wealth. The tool alone isn't enough. Most people stop halfway. They know the tool, but they lack the mindset to make it work for them. And that's why this channel exists, to give you not just tools, but results that actually matter. Now, let's get personal. Think about your life for a second. The bills you stress over, the dreams you keep putting off, the freedom you wish you had. What if I told you that AI and financial literacy could directly impact all of that? It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. About making technology work for you, and having the knowledge to turn opportunities into real, lasting wealth. Most people ignore these tools because they're overwhelmed or skeptical. But those who take action early, who understand the patterns of money, and who master these tools are the ones creating the next wave of financial success. That could be you. It could start today, just by watching this video and applying the strategies step by step. And here's a little secret. Runway ML isn't just about video. It's about storytelling and marketing. It's about creating content that resonates deeply with an audience, so you can build influence, authority, and income all while learning financial skills that most people will never grasp. So here's what you need to do next. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with Runway ML. Don't worry about perfection. Start experimenting. Step 2. Focus on creating content that resonates. Think of what problems people have or what inspires them. Step 3. Apply financial literacy principles. Track your earnings. Reinvest wisely and learn the difference between fleeting income and sustainable wealth. The beauty of this system? It's not just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom from financial stress. Freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your terms. And if you subscribe to this channel, you will not only get more insights on AI tools, but also learn advanced strategies for building real wealth. Now here's a little twist I promised. Most people will never take these steps. They'll watch this video, feel inspired, and then scroll away. Don't be them. Take the first step today. Experiment with AI. Apply these financial lessons. and see how fast your life starts changing. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video act. Click subscribe, hit the bell, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Every video here is designed to help you solve real problems with money, leverage tools like AI, and take steps toward a life that most people only dream about. Your opportunity is here, waiting. All that's left is for you to grab it. Remember, the difference between people who complain about money and people who create financial freedom is knowledge plus action. Runway ML is powerful, yes, but your mind and your actions are what truly make the magic happen. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Your journey to smarter money and real-life change starts now.